dropped into Recol Engineering in Northampton, their latest investment, the Citizen L20 with LFV. First of all, do you like Citizen machines and why do you like them?
I think they're really good. The machines are super quick, reliable, can't fault them.
What about setting the machines?
Setting machine is quite quick, very quick.
There you go, a couple of easy words there, quick, reliable, that's what you want. But you've got the LFV here. How's that changed things on this, well, for yourselves?
For run times, super quick.
Okay. When you say run times in terms of roughing, finishing?
The roughing, like I say, the LFV, it eliminates the use of having to use a roughing tool. So I'll use the same tool for roughing and finishing. So the LFV controls the swarf wrap as well. No wrapping on tools. We can control the size of the swarf, 20mm, 10mm.
Okay, so when you say you're using, so essentially instead of roughing and a finishing tool, you're just using one tool now?
I'm using one tool, yeah.
Is that, I mean, I'm thinking, is that impacting the tool life as well though?
It is not, no. The tool life is really good.
So it's actually improved from the other machines you've got?
Oh, it is an improvement, yes.
Now also, on this machine, it'll go up to 20mm. I think if you go guide brushless, it'll be slightly larger, but you said in terms of changing bar over, you don't actually have to change bar, is that right?
Not often, like I say, the LFV, I can take a 4mm cut with ease. Like I say, if I wanted to run a 14mm part out of 18, 20mm bar, I could quite easily do that without changing the machine over.
So essentially a lot of time saved just not having to reload the machine because you've got a big bar feed there, 3 metre bar feed?
3 metre, yeah.
Okay. What about in terms of, you mentioned, we're obviously going to talk about the LFV, new to programming and that side of things, is it easy to program?
Just the same as any other machine.
Okay. And you're saying about big you're taking big chunks of metal out there, you're changing the amplitude and things like that?
I do, yes, yep. I do use the wizard on there just to help me out on the speed control of it, which is quite handy.
Okay. And with the amplitudes then, just a couple of lines of code, it's done and nice and simple?
It's as easy as that.
Excellent. Now these machines, I know looking around here, you're trying to sort of improve productivity. You'll run these machines, well, more than 24/7 now, is that right?
That is, yeah. I mean, with the LFV, I'm confident just to set it up in the daytime, let it run all night, come in the morning, if it's good.
And all weekend even?
Even all weekend, yes.
There you go, Marty, thank you. Just a little endorsement, Citizen Machinery at Recol Engineering.